After logging in, you're going to be brought to your website dashboard. In the top left corner of the screen, you'll see that we are under the Websites tab in your dashboard. Here you're going to be able to add websites to your dashboard. Depending on your plan, you can see I've used 2 of 20 websites and I have 18 left. To work on a specific website, you're going to want to hover over the globe icon. So let's go ahead and just click on ra.com. And that's going to allow you to go ahead and continue working on creating new pages for this website. Under Pages for my website, you're going to be able to hover over each icon and view all the pages that you've created for your website. You'll be able to see the different versions of the pages, but we're going to get into that in a different tutorial. To create a new page, you're going to want to pick a page template. You can hover here and you'll be able to see page descriptions of each template that you can create. Let's go ahead and create a new page to get started. I'm going to select testimonials, and that's going to automatically create a new page template for me to start customizing. To return to your dashboard, you can always just click the top left corner, and that will take you back to the primary dashboard where you can again select which website you'd like to continue working on.